Hello boys and girls! Today we are going to learn about reading and writing time schedule or table. A schedule or a timetable as a basic time management tool consists of a list of times at which possible tasks, events, or actions are intended to take place. Let's begin our lesson by telling the difference between AM and PM. AM used to tell time after midnight before noon, and PM used to tell time after noon before midnight. What do you mean by AM? Very good. AM means ante-meridian and PM means post-meridian. Let's look for the first timetable. This timetable shows Miko's activities on August 10, 2020. There are two columns. In the time column, you will see the different time posted, while in the activity column, you will see the different of activities he did during that day. Let's begin. He woke up at 7 a.m. and took his shower at 7:30 a.m. and had his breakfast at 8 a.m. and did his homework at 9 a.m. He had his lunch at 12:30 p.m. and played basketball at 3 p.m. and went to bed at 8 p.m. Let's try to answer some of the questions from Miko's activity. Question number 1. At what time did Miko wake up? Very good. He woke up at 7 a.m. Question number 2. At what did he do at 9 a.m.? Look at the timetable. Good job. He did his homework. Question number 3. What was the duration between his breakfast and lunch? Look at the timetable. He had his breakfast at 8 a.m. and had his lunch at 12:30 p.m. Let's count the hours. 8 to 9 a.m. means 1 hour. 9 to 10 a.m. means 2 hours. 10 to 11 a.m. means 3 hours, and 11 to 12 noon means 4 hours, plus 30 minutes, which gives us 4 hours and 30 minutes. Question number 4. At what time did he play basketball? He played at 3 p.m. And for the last question, at what time did he go to bed? Good job! He went to bed at 8 p.m. Here's the second example on how we write time schedule. In this example, you will see the timetable of Linda's activity on a certain day. Again, there are time and activities column. Let's begin. She had her breakfast at 7:45 a.m. and walked to the office at 8:15 a.m. She arrived at the office at 8:50 a.m. and started to work at 9 a.m. She had her lunch at 12 noon and started working again at 1:30 p.m. and went back home at 5:30 p.m. Let's try to answer some of the questions from Linda's activity. Question number 1. At what time did Miss Linda arrive at the office? Look at the timetable. Very good. She arrived at 8:50 a.m. Question number 2. At what time did she start working in the afternoon? Good job! She started working again at 1:30 p.m. Question number 3. How long was her lunch break? She had her lunch at 12 noon and go back to work at 1:30 p.m. 12 to 1, it means 1 hour plus 30 minutes, which gives us 1 hour and 30 minutes. Question number 4. At what time did she go back home? Look at the timetable. Very good. She went back home at 5:30 p.m. Here is the last example on how we write time schedule. In this example, you will see the timetable of Wendy's activity. Let's begin. She woke up at 6 a.m. and had her breakfast at 7 a.m. She watched TV at 7:45 a.m. and did her homework at 9:30 a.m. She had her lunch at 12:30 p.m. and played the violin at 2:30 p.m. And then she swam at 5 p.m. and went to bed at 8 p.m. Let's make the do and learn. Question number 1. At what time did Wendy wake up? Look at the timetable. Very good. She woke up at 6 a.m. Question number 2. What did she do at 9:30 a.m.? Very good. She did her homework. Question number 3. At what time did she play the violin? She played the violin at 2:30 p.m. And for the last question, at what time did she go to bed? Very good. She went to bed at 8 p.m. Thank you and keep safe.